I hope it's not swinging too much. Are we good? I feel like we're good. Morning people, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. Funny joke. So I leave the tripod for the camera. So I'm gonna use my belt and tie up the lens and tie it on the hockey tree. So if you don't realize a little swinging, yeah, that is what is happening right here. So big up on yourself, welcome to the channel. Leave a like, please leave a like, and if you're not subscribed as yet, please subscribe. So yep, I am still in the grill, still following Richard Brown and his movie making journey, and at the same time doing what I love, doing what I'm passionate about, which is video editing, shooting, cinematography, all of the wonderful things where camera is concerned. So yep, in the grill over by the golf course, got up early this morning, you know, do a little jogging, do some push-up, try build some chest muscle, work on the cardio, and I don't know. So yep, but that's not what we're about in this video. Guess what we are doing? We are talking about the intimate scenes them. Because you know Richard Brown movies, you know, intimate scenes, we're going to talk about that. So we're going to question some of these females in relation to the intimate scenes. And the reason why we are doing that is because I had my own personal experience when it come on to them intimate scene there. So yes, one little kissing scene business going. As in our upper body here, so you feel like flat out a little more or something. And the thing is, from that, I developed this new appreciation for females or women when they're iffy about those kind of scenes. And the female might never think nothing like that, but one whole heap of different kind of emotion. Like it's kind of weird when somebody in the room with one camera on you and then kissing business. No kissing, never kissing. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. But before we do that, we don't know how we do. We have to get some visuals. So we get some visuals, showing us some photos that I took earlier this morning. And then we get into talking about intimate scenes. I'm wanting to share an opinion with me in the comments, you know. How do you feel about kissing scenes? What if you were cast? What if you were cast in a movie to do kissing scene? Probably it's not found, so it depends on how much I'm happy. But anyhow, we'll get into it. Get some visuals and talk about them intimate scenes. Yeah. So, good. Welcome again. Welcome, guys. The beautiful Carlanda. We did a kissing scene recently and she's going to talk to us about that. So, in a nutshell, how was it? What was it like? What was the experience like? I can't be honest. I mean, I did have bad breath. I'm gonna have bad breath, but
I was so numb I didn't even know if you had a breath.
as in emotionless.
I was. It was. What I'm not going to say emotionless, I'm going to say numb.
Alright, what was your impression of me during the whole ordeal?
What the hell am I doing?
Oh, you think that's what was going through my head?
I was like, what is this? Oh my freaking god. I was like, so I was hovering.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, he has a beard. I don't like beards.
Who don't like? Tell me in the comments.
I don't like your beard.
What's wrong with my beard? I may groom it. May groom it a little bit.
I like them when they're groomed and neatly done.
So it was funny, but you were comfortable, right? You were uncomfortable? We should take so long for answer.
I was there. I was uncomfortable.
I'm embarrassed. I'm officially embarrassed right now. However, for me, the entire ordeal was it terrifying because, and this is the reason why it was terrifying, as Muda mentioned before, as Muda tell her before, it was your first time, Zin?
Yes, it was.
It was your first time. And you were so good at it.
Was I?
Yeah, you did. You were good. Like, at one point, I wonder
when I did this?
Yeah, I wonder if like...
That you sweat.
Yes, don't make me start set again. Yeah, so I did nervous. One whole heap of things is that going. We don't know.
It was new.
Mm-hmm.
It was intense. There was a lot of tension.
Me, yes, me. You did. You look like you did.
I looked calm, but deep inside, even if I go on a stage to perform and I'm shaking. I remember one time I was performing and I had to stand because stage presence, moving around, blah blah. And one moment when I tried to move, I was literally shaking to the point where if I had made a pivot, I would have fallen.
You know how hard that is to believe. I mean, I believe it, but me think.
And they're
Based
like,
on
you
how you
did
work.
great.
I did great.
No, I'm.
Oh yeah, you did great. Definitely did great.
I thought about if I look nervous, people say I look great. You did great.
So that encourage other females to come and like
Try
don't
an
worry,
intimate scene
don't
so I don't have to do it. Of course, why not?
no, not so you don't have to do it like what I want them, like what I said to them, like you're
I'd
going
say
to feel
prepare your mind.
uncomfortable or
It depends. Everybody's different. I mean, I'm not attracted to you, so it was.
I'm unattractive. All right, cool.
You're not
Continue.
unattractive. I'm just not attracted to you. So it was just normal for me. And if they're gonna come, or when they come, not if, when you come to do an intimate scene, you just have to get your mind within that setting. You are trying to become a professional actor. You are learning how to become a professional actor, and these are things that you're going to more than likely have to do, knowing that especially you're a female. So get your mind within that capacity to say, okay, I'm gonna have to do this. I'm not attracted to you. Nothing. It will feel normal afterwards. Blah blah blah. Especially because it's not a series or one of them, them long movies that you have to. You're one of the stars or the co-star, and you're gonna have to be doing this where you're gonna catch feelings or whatever. It's not going to happen like that for this setting.
Yeah, because I feel weird around you.
So exactly. So it's just something that you do and get it over with.
But I'm certain say if we had to do that all over again, it would have be the same thing. Like would have start weird out.
It would
I
be so
remember
much
that I
easier
said
for me
like
now.
did they have this virgin? Well, I make sure you tell them that
Oh yeah,
you
you
felt as
had
if you
this.
were hovering a virgin.
Yeah, you
The
were.
reason for that,
You
people.
you embodied how I would react, which was weird. You were you were like what I
She
am,
felt
and I
as
was
if
like,
she felt as if she was hovering a virgin. And let me explain. The reason for that is because I
you were
kind of am.
sweating profusely. Let us not leave that out. The sheets had to be changed.
It never that bad. Me I sweat like how me that sweat now. The room did hot. Me did nervous
So the
too.
room was hot, and between you, me,
It
and
was
the
my
crew,
first time.
you were the only person.
Suppose me did have one erection.
Whereas you said the word
Me
like
have
the
to-
word painful, or I can feel pain. I don't know.
That
I
would be
don't
very
think your face
embarrassing.
should look like
Alright.
that.
If I have somebody in the room with a camera on you and you're being asked to do this thing, something we're not supposed to be pretending. Like I don't think people should be that intimate or that close and like you're acting, like you're pretending. I mean, I understand the whole movie thing, but I feel
And
like
I
if you
tell
can
you,
do it
actually
there,
try to kiss me. You remember that? That was funny. That was funny as hell.
I tried to kiss you.
You did. I was what are
Tell me,
you
I don't
doing?
remember that kind of. Tell me again. Hold on.
When I was there and you were like,
I was trying to hide the mouth
no,
part.
not that part. That was like after the 99th cut.
The 99th cut.
So
Alright.
before the 99th cut, I was like, what?
Oh yeah, remember yeah. No, that was when you said don't put your hand. You said something about
Before
don't put
you
your
did
hand there.
this, and I had to move your hand before that.
So why you don't move my hand? May I try hide the thing? Why you move my hand?
Because I was like, why am I hiding? I know we need to get this in one take, and then he's gonna make us have to do it over again.
I'm nervous. That's my explanation. I was nervous. So, and by the way, I'm not an actor. She's big up herself, 10 out of 10 actress, Carlanda. Yeah, might get one Oscar for just that scene there alone.
You are exaggerating.
Oh, a serious thing, but. So, you would say to other females, if
I'd
they're
say
here.
embody the character. Get in the frame of mind. Understand that you are at work. You're being professional. This is a part of the job. You're just giving a peck. Because it's not even like a French kiss. It was just one of them things to
You're
give a
not,
punch.
you're not, on a scale of 1 to 10, how you rate yourself as a kisser?
I'm a good kisser. I'm a good kisser.
Suppose your boyfriend have different for say. Oh, as I bring up
He
boyfriend,
wouldn't. He
as,
would not.
as I bring up boyfriend,
Mm.
do you think like Jamaica and the culture how it stay? Do you think the boyfriend would be a difficulty or a barrier when one female want to acting and them have to do these kind of scenes?
It would. I have
So what you that say to
heard
them
and
boyfriend they
seen
do? What you that say to
things.
them boyfriend?
Relax, bro.
Relax, relax.
It's just a kiss, and they're coming back home to you. And most times, like me, they feel vague. It's mostly numbness. They're like,
So don't worry if your girlfriend kiss an next
they're
man in
like
a movie.
most
Don't
time
worry.
they be like, why me just in this nigga face, and I'm so petrified. I'm just gonna have to do this
She
because
never
it's my
liked my
job
beard.
description. I didn't even like his beard. It was beard is
Tell
not
me
my
if you don't
thing.
like my beard in the comments.
You need to
please.
groom that.
But like what me need for do?
We've
Like,
had this conversation so many times.
about my beard?
Yes.
I don't remember. When?
See that you're good at.
Not remembering?
Or lying, whichever works in your favor.
Me not remember.
Mm.
But yeah, don't worry guys. So she was not, you were uncomfortable? She wasn't uncomfortable. She was having fun. She was laughing all of the time.
I was uncomfortable.
No, me did uncomfortable.
I was uncomfortable.
What made you uncomfortable?
Everything. First of all, you were there.
Alright, continue. Yeah, so I was there.
And then the cameraman was there.
Mm-hmm.
And then everybody was there.
No, not everybody.
Who?
Colleen was there.
Was it?
Ready all the time. Okay, alright. I want that surprise you have for me. Sabron, an intimate scene going on also?
No, not yet. So go down soon go on.
Colleen, suck out tongue go on.
In can't take a kiss. A lot of females in Jamaica that are doing movies, they can't take a kiss because they will get a fist.
But Carolina did it last night.
Yeah, because
was not a real one.
That was not a real kiss.
It was very good.
Ready, time up, cut. You did say so, Akeem?
Yeah man, my dad sweat.
Nervous.
She said she feel like she did stand up over one virgin.
Colleen.
Yeah. So no, as in like
I told Curious to get out.
why I never miss that part. Why you tell the right I forget out?
Because it's disgusting.
Okay. Yeah.
It don't make
yeah.
sense.
Mhm.
Trust me, that make it way harder. It'll be funny.
Understand.
Too funny.
My head not cut off in general. Okay, good. So, females,
You see all of the sunshine them about me? I'm gonna have an repellent.
I don't want to touch you.
Thank you. But you owe me a cream.
What else do I owe you?
An extra repellent won't hurt. It has to be for sensitive skin. It's the green one. It has go on the front. And
All right,
it's
before we end the video, let me see
that
how much
tin.
minutes we go if we need to go more. I don't know if I miss out any questions. If you have any questions for her in relation to intimate scenes, I'm trying very hard not to touch you, miss.
You're trying.
Look at them.
Almost.
So, at the first, me touch her from the video start.
You see, you have been weird about this. Me not even remember. Honestly, me not even remember.
Them girl, yeah, wicked. If you can pretend that they seen there and just have one straight face, you can do it outside of that space.
No,
anyhow,
what?
anyhow,
No, you're not
anyhow.
gonna anyhow from that point. You're not gonna make such a comment and then anyhow, with a skipping rope. Look at you. First of all,
Don't worry, guys. If your girlfriend comes here and she kisses a guy, because more likely she won't like his beard, she'll be uncomfortable, and then afterwards she won't feel any kind of way.
I'm not
Anything
like
you
that
want to add?
outside. Me not gonna pretend for like somebody. If even people me like me ignore.
Me not sweat again.
Well, would you look at that?
No, sweat again. But thank you for your time. I owe you a cream
And a repellent.
and a repellent.
You're gonna present it on here.
If this video gets 200 likes, you get a repellent
Different
cream
That's different from money.
and
cash.
cash. Me think
I can get 200 people to like this. You know?
I think You see, these intimate scenes, a lot of time it has to do with how much you're being paid. So you'll be comfortable based on what you're being paid.
Depends, you know, because
Even if you're not
you have some
attracted to
people
the
where when
person.
they get all their money in the world, that will never happen.
Have you seen anyone like that on set?
No.
Okay. Good. So be an attractive man there then, that's what I say.
Attractive men that I'm not attracted to.
Alright, anyhow, guys, thank you for tuning. This is the beautiful Carlanda. First time I do one kissing scene, so I know say she might stamp in my brain for
I
life.
made your day. I made your night.
You call that make my night?
Did you have wet dream?
My age no have wet dream.
You lying.
Candy, come in.
Yeah,
You don't know intimate scene with nobody, Candy?
You smell so good.
You smell good?
Me.
Wait.
You don't know intimate scene with nobody?
Altan. Hear me. Every time when I call it Altan,
It's not him.
You know say you like Altan? But anyway, stop straight.
Stop straight for Altan have 3 head back.
Candy want phone, guys, come. She keep on us. Come, that's all.
So,
Candy need a phone. She does not have a phone. You single?
me single long time and the whole world know that up to Jesus.
So she need a phone, guys. So now I have to share the video. So what kind of phone I want?
Send in your applications.
Kind of phone I want? S8. One like this. One like this.
What S8 you want?
I need an S8.
So question, you know nobody do no intimate scene where they have to touch on them kind of
No,
thing?
me no want nobody come touch me up.
No, me ask you if you never do no scene with that. Me remember you and Richard I do one scene like that.
Me and him no touch up nothing.
So you don't do no intimate scene for you?
Why you want me to do an intimate
No,
scene
me
with
ask if
somebody
you ever
that
do
we're
any.
not together with? And I'm not in a relationship with that person, so why should I do an intimate scene with him?
I got any video now, guys.
Henny to Claude. Henny.
So, thank you, Miss Carlanda. Thank you, Candy. I think we have one more smart to talk to. We want to talk to Miss Cully before.
And you see, anytime I send the money to Akeem to help me make up by my phone,
Them not send me no money. They not send me
How
no
them
money,
a go
Candy. Them need to share the video so they can get views.
somebody that pan you go send money con give you. Not tell me nothing. My friend them, my fans them, we send money con give you, so you have to give me don't tea face.
Alright,
Go tell them.
No problem.
Love you now. Hey.
Let's go more. I will talk to the next person. I will talk to Miss Cully.